The internet has completely changed the way we make money. Gone are the days when you had to work a traditional 9-to-5 job to earn a living. Today, with just a laptop or even a smartphone, you can create multiple streams of income online. Whether you're looking for a full-time career or just some extra cash, there's an opportunity for you. In this video, I'll break down the best ways to earn money on the internet, step by step. Let's get started. 1. Freelancing. Sell your skills online. Freelancing is one of the fastest ways to start making money online. If you have skills like writing, graphic design, video editing, programming, or even voiceover work, you can get paid for your services. Websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer allow you to connect with clients from all over the world. Getting started is easy. Create a profile, showcase your skills, and start bidding on jobs. Many beginners start with small projects, but as you gain experience and good reviews, you can charge higher rates. Some freelancers make thousands of dollars per month by consistently delivering quality work. And here's a pro tip. AI tools can help you speed up your work. For example, ChatGPT can assist with writing, Canva can simplify graphic design, and CapCut can make video editing faster. Use these tools to complete jobs efficiently and take on more clients. 2. Affiliate marketing. Earn commissions without selling anything. Affiliate marketing is a great way to earn passive income. You don't need to create or own a product. Instead, you promote other people's products and earn a commission for each sale. Companies like Amazon, ClickBank, and Impact.com have affiliate programs where you can sign up for free. All you need to do is share a special link to a product, and if someone buys through your link, you get paid. The best way to make money with affiliate marketing is by creating content. Start a blog, a YouTube channel, or a TikTok account where you review products or recommend services. The more valuable your content is, the more people will trust your recommendations and buy through your links. 3. Print on demand. Sell custom merchandise. With no inventory. If you're creative, print on demand is a great way to make money online. You can sell custom-designed t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and more without ever touching a product. Platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, and Printful handle everything for you, from printing to shipping. So you just focus on the designs. You can create your own designs using free tools like Canva or AI-powered design tools. Once uploaded, customers can browse your store and buy your products. Every time someone makes a purchase, you earn a profit. The best part? No upfront costs and no need to store inventory. 4. YouTube automation. Make money without showing your face. YouTube is one of the most powerful platforms for making money online, and you don't even have to show your face. With YouTube automation, you can create faceless videos using AI-generated voiceovers, stock footage, and script writing tools. Here's how it works. First, pick a niche. Finance, tech, motivational content, or tutorials work really well. Then, use tools like ChatGPT to write a script, text-to-speech software for voiceovers, and royalty-free stock footage for visuals. Upload your videos consistently, and once you meet YouTube's monetization requirements, you can earn money from ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. The best thing about YouTube is that once a video gains traction, it can keep earning money for years. 5. Selling digital products. Create once, sell forever. Digital products are one of the easiest ways to make passive income. Unlike physical products, digital products don't require manufacturing, shipping, or storage. You create them once and sell them unlimited times. Some of the best digital products include ebooks, courses, printables, social media templates, and Notion planners. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, and Teachable allow you to list and sell your digital products with no upfront investment. For example, if you have expertise in social media marketing, you can create a guide on how to grow a TikTok account and sell it as an ebook. Or if you're good at designing, you can sell Instagram templates that businesses can use for their posts. 6. Dropshipping. Run an online store without buying inventory. Dropshipping is a business model where you sell products without keeping inventory. Instead of buying products in bulk, you only purchase them from a supplier when you make a sale. The supplier then ships the product directly to the customer. You can start a dropshipping business with platforms like Shopify and AliExpress. The key to success in dropshipping is choosing the right products and running effective ads on social media. While this method does require effort in marketing, it can be highly profitable when done right. 7. Stock photography and video. Make money with your camera. If you enjoy photography or videography, you can sell your work online. Websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Pexels pay you when someone downloads your photos or videos. Businesses, bloggers, and content creators constantly need high-quality visuals, and they're willing to pay for them. Even if you only have a smartphone, you can take and sell stock images. Photos of landscapes, cityscapes, office setups, and even lifestyle shots sell well. The more you upload, the more chances you have to make passive income. 8. Remote customer service and virtual assistants. Many companies now hire remote customer service representatives and virtual assistants. This job usually involves responding to emails, managing social media accounts, handling customer inquiries, and scheduling tasks. You can find remote customer service and VA jobs on websites like remote.co, FlexJobs, and We Work Remotely. Some positions require specific skills, but many are entry-level and pay well. 9. Website testing and online surveys. While this won't make you rich, website testing and online surveys can be an easy way to make extra money. Websites like usertesting.com and respondent.io pay you to test websites, apps, and digital products. You simply provide feedback on user experience, and you get paid per test. Similarly, survey sites like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and Pinecone Research pay you for sharing your opinions. While these won't replace a full-time income, they're a simple way to make extra cash in your free time. 10. Writing and selling an ebook. If you love writing, publishing an ebook is a great way to make passive income. Platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, allow you to self-publish books and earn royalties every time someone buys a copy. You don't need to be a professional author. You can write a short guide, a how-to book, or even a collection of tips on a niche topic. AI tools like ChatGPT can help you outline and write your book faster. Final thoughts. Which online business will you start? The internet is full of opportunities to make money. Whether you want to start a side hustle or build a full-time online business, there's a method for you. The key to success is choosing one method, sticking with it, and putting in consistent effort. Which of these online businesses interest you the most? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more money-making strategies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.